So that you can put your banter in as well. Hi guys, I'm Daryl and this is Uncharted New Zealand. We are currently out on Lake Benmore and we've come from sailors cutting. We're just out for a couple of days, just chilling out while the weather's good. Yeah, probably. Hey kids! Do you like the Uncle Peter hats? Uncle Peter. Dad! Oh yeah, hey Mum! Who else do we know? Hey John and John, Steve, Mike, Nigel, yeah, we're going to put some Here's Johnny on later on. Maybe. What are we doing? What are we doing? We're going to see if we can anchor, if we can stay down by the other campground. Are you driving or am I driving? What's your boat? Is it my boat? This is my boat. Whose boat is this? This is not my boat. I'll have it though. Is it going free? Sharon, is this your boat?
It's my boat. That's why I'm up there sailing it.
Okay. I only get free boats or $1 reserve. This, FYI guys, this is not the $1 reserve boat. No, that's still broken. Yeah. And I've decided to sail this boat instead. Yeah.
What's happening with the sails, sailors?
The sails, it's doing stuff. Yeah. Things are happening up here, important things, sail things. Anyway, check out that view. Can you see that? Oh, did you tell them where we are? It might help. I feel like we should drive. So, where are we? We're at Lake Benmore at a place called Sailors Cutting. And if I'm like good, I'll add a little video. I probably will. Yeah. But anyway, it's the bottom end of the lake. Yeah, don't normally sail here very often. Just because you have to go through the cut? Yeah, you have to go through the cut, which is back there somewhere. And it zigzags through, and then you come out on the rest of the lake. So it takes a little bit longer this way, but we've got a bit of a, what's this, easterly? Yeah, southeast. So the boat ramp at the other end's pretty average when it's windy, so we thought we'd come here instead. Yeah, we haven't been here for a couple of years probably. Yes, it's been a couple of years, good couple of years. It's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute since we've been here. Yeah. It's quite hot today. And we raced the trimarang and we smoked them. That was terrible. They were terrible. I don't know what they were doing. They were obviously learning, it's fine. But we smoked them. Yeah. Oh, shag. Probably can't see it out there in the, in the middle of the glassy. Where? It's out there. Mark him! Where is he? There he is. Oh, I seen him. I seen him. Great success. Now we need to sort this out. Oh, calm down up there in the cheap seat. I'm letting it out. Oh, hang on. What do I need to do? Stuff? No? I don't know. No. Yeah, we should jibe. Maybe. Right, okay, jibing! Yeah, see? Wasn't that good? So good. There it is! There it is! What about the scenery though? It's just magic out here. Got the sunrise, sunset, something. One of the sets. I just put my hand there to try and do, I don't know, stuff. And that there. That's Sailors Cutting inlet straight over there. Yeah, the boat ramp is. It's Sailors Cutting over there. We've got the Odamatata down that way. Omarama. Oh, it's Omarama, isn't it? Yeah, it's Omarama. Odamatata's back this way. I was just going to whip the camera around right over here to the old cutting. And
it's reassuring when your sailors know where the boat they are.
Yeah. Sharon's having a great time. Yeah. She's just telling us, she's giving us some sailing pointers, because we're novice and that. Yeah. Anyway, what say you? Stuff and that there, and people who, pretty busy at the moment, lots going on. Yeah. Like sales. We had a big day out on the wing. Guys worked well. Yeah. Thanks to the ref. Good job done by the boys and that. And this isn't rugby. It's not rugby.
We're sailing.
We're sailing. There's no wing. Well, there's like the sails. It's kind of a wing. It's not really.
I'm sure he's played wing at some stage.
We've all played wing at some point. Anyway, we're going to go try and check out a new anchorage. See if it's too shallow, too weedy. It's quite a lot of weed up at this end of the lake. Not the good stuff. Not either. The good stuff. I don't know what you can actually see because the screen did the screen thing, but you just touch it. Can't touch it. You just gotta touch it. You gotta touch it. Oh Jesus! There I am. Dear Lord, baby Jesus. Oh Lord, I apologize for that. Anyway, probably have to edit some of that out now. Nah. Wow, that was close. Anyway, somewhere up here we're going to find somewhere to anchor, maybe, so we can go back tomorrow and get some beers. Yeah, we ran out of beers. It's day one. Day one, we're already run out of beers. It's a rookie mistake. Rookie. Meanwhile, how do you like my new hat? It's pretty flash, right? Yeah, suits you. Yeah. Don't worry about this though. This, yeah. You don't work there anymore, do you? No, I don't. Yeah, I don't even work there anymore. What do you work now? Don't know. Okay. Do I even work? Maybe I don't work at all. No, I don't want to. That'd be nice. Anyway, we're going to leave it here for now. And just enough shit yards from us. Peace out. Keep on trucking. Oh yeah, keel's coming up.
Is it? Is it though?
The corner over there.
Is it coming up? Are you sure? Oh, here's where the action is.
He's just jacking off in the corner.
You have to show your lever.
Look at it, pump it, Daryl, pump it. Oh yeah.
Harder, baby, harder.
Anyway, we're trying to go places. Bring the keel up. It takes a hot minute. It's my new saying now, a hot minute. I don't know why. So in front of the gas cooker is the pin for the keel.
Do I?
In the front. You know where it goes. Put it in the hole, Sharon.
Which hole? There's so many.
That's what she said.
Miles away. At least another 4 inches to go.
Yeah,
Pump, baby, pump.
Jesus, that's depressing. Pity no one will hear that.
Yeah, baby.
You got it. Got it. Right.
How are you feeling, darling? I guess it's on its way.
Probably won't be able to hear any of this, but up in front is the Old Matata top 10, I don't know, some campsite anyway, just up in here. Yeah, up there. We're going to try and hide behind this island for the night, if it's not too shallow, which it's quite shallow. It's alright so far, anyway. Yeah. It's still a full rudder down. Yeah. Cool. Well, you can get in there with a sailboat, it's very, very, very sketchy. Muddy though, like you can see the bottom. So we're going to head up a little bit further around the corner here. So this is us for the night. Hey, just taking photos. Ooh. Oh, look at this. It's on video. Oh, you can look at it. It's on video, I have to change it. There we go. So, parked up. Sailor's Cutting's just down this way. That's the road just there. And the cycle trail just here too, so we've got stuff to look at.
Oh, the bikeless track.
The bikles, yeah, that's where the bikles go. Yeah. We've got swallows. Are they swallows? I think they are swallows.
Are they? No, don't know.
I don't know, I thought swallows like fucked around over water and stuff.
Leave a comment if you know what swallows actually do.
I'm sure it
I
is.
thought they like to live in barns and stuff.
Yeah, all that sort of stuff in that there. Yeah.
Mind you, there must be a reason for all those people getting those swallow tattoos, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. So
What are you looking at?
Oh, I'm just seeing if my phone is charging.
Oh,
I know, boring, eh?
got the old fridge on.
Yeah, got
Got the pie in the oven.
pie in the oven.
That's as good as the oven as we have. It's a frying pan with a lid on it.
It's all good.
That's what we need.
I feel like a Maori hangy.
Oh yeah, I love the old Mary Hangy.
Well, this is a white woman's hangy. That's how we do it.
Without the dirt
Yeah.
There's
and the
no
fire.
dirt. Just bacon egg pie.
Oh, it's bacon and egg pie.
Yeah.
It is.
It's the best one to try because you don't necessarily have to heat it up, do you?
True. This is actually a pretty good wee spot.
Yeah. Didn't we come here earlier?
Well, we were going to, and then
We were entertaining.
somebody made us drive all the way down here and look at like marshland.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get out of my shot, rope.
You
Anyway,
literally say that, bro.
It's a line.
yeah, yeah. The hardcore sailors will tell me off for that. Oh yeah, see the road? Except for the road noise, it's pretty good.
Well, it's not quite like being out in the wilderness.
No, we're not out in the wilderness. But it's close enough. At least the view's nice. Yeah, like I said, there's a campground just over here somewhere, around the other side of this wee bit here. It's pretty good, apparently. Never stayed there. You know. I think it's time for a couple of cold snacks. What do you reckon?
You don't think you've had enough?
How much is too much though,
Have
Shiz?
we had enough?
Possible!
It's like you don't even know us.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't drink that much.
The next day.
Recording.
Coming into Sailor's Cutting. Get some supplies. This is Otamatato campsite, or Sailor's Cutting campsite, where thousands of people migrate every year and camp in canvas tents meters from each other just to get a glimpse of the lake water and maybe do some skiing. Good? If you need me to narrate any of your docos, just hit me up. So we had to go to town and get supplies, didn't we, Shaz?
Yes, we have to get supplies.
Supplies,
More fruit
important
juice.
supplies. Shaz come and delivered our supplies for us before we leave the game.
Thanks.
Alright, after resupplying with the essentials, we're making our way through to what's known as the cut, which is the sort of narrow passage from sailors cutting out into the main part of the lake. Normally, sometimes you can sail it, but normally it's quite switchy and changey. And it died. Anyway, so we're going under these power lines. I don't know if you can see them in the video, but they're like right there. Hopefully they're not too low. Should be right. Yeah, and if you find this video later on, then yeah, we were wrong. Hopefully you can see it in the video. It's miles away, isn't it?
Standing down here.
We're under them right now. No, it's miles away. You jumping?
Careful, baby.
Yeah, somewhere. This is the spot, hopefully for tonight, maybe. It's kind of windy. And I'm just gonna, spot? Yeah. Just hanging out doing some pull-ups. Just gotta get my exercise, you know. Oh, I realised that. Yeah.
What's going up there? Worthy this one?
Yep.
I'll ask about this one.
Try and jump in and not wreck the GoPro.
How do you wreck the GoPro?
Well, because it's not on the proper...
Do you want me to hold on?
Yeah. Whoop! Got it.
That's fresh.
Sharon too.
Bring the towels out to warm them up so when we get out. How was it? Chicken made balls.
Yep. What's going on? I just came here to climb this here boat. Is that just one?
That's all I'm good for.
Just one.
Just one.
Just one.
All you need.
One's more than enough. Oh, you're not jumping in, Chad.
It's like a sheep stone here.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, wow, sheep's bone.
Or some sort of a bone.
Sheep does no longer need it.
It's a flash hat you got there, Shane.
I know.
It's better if you just jump in.
Yeah, it's kind of spongy here, isn't it?
Yeah. It's grassy.
It sure is.
There's
Mushy.
there's feather in the rocks.
Oh, there's some fresh water.
Do it. Oh. That's why you just jump in off the top. Get back up, go back up here, jump. Here. Do some bombs. Yeah, do some mean fucking manus.
Oh, no, this is quite enough, thanks. Lovely. Very nice.
Come on.
Oh, I've got my hat
Dunk.
on.
Dunk down to your shoulders.
Stop videoing me
Do
so I
it,
can
do
get on
it,
with
do
my
it,
life.
do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it,
No,
do
give
it.
a shot. I won't give in. I You know, I figured it.
You've changed.
The old Sharon would have done
Used
it.
to be cool.
Used to be hot. Now I'm cool.
Yeah. Go.
No.
Come on, camera's rolling.
Yeah, we're running out of time. Oh my god.
So lovely and warm, isn't it, Sharon?
Right.
I thought you weren't going to give in. You go into peer pressure, Sharon.
It was warmer yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah.
Thanks for telling me that. Oh. Well, that's fine once you're in.
Yeah, that's why you just jump straight in. So you don't have to bloody psych yourself out all the time. Alright, Tom, we're gonna go for a swim.
Save me, baby Jesus.
That's good.
Oh god. You're up, Brad? It's all windy. I said it's gone all windy. I might lose my hat.
Got the life ring.
Don't know if I'd rescue you guys would rescue me without your boat. Oh, are you coming to save me? Oh, that's so cute.
I just need the GoPro.
I just want my GoPro back.
Decided to go on an adventure to find the rail trail, bike trail thing. Whatever it's called. What's it called?
Bike trail, isn't it?
The Benmore Dam bike trail thing. Scenic something with bikes and that there, and somewhere up here.
Yeah, got the old exploring sandals on.
Yeah, got exploring safety shoes.
We have had a few drinks.
Yeah,
Stay hydrated.
yeah, hydration is key when doing this kind of stuff.
All like we wanted to.
Yeah, we'll just cut across here. Just do that. Like, just stop making it look so difficult, you know?
And a mountain goat.
Yeah. After wandering aimlessly in the wilderness, we have come across signs of civilization. A cycle trail used primarily by middle-aged men and women who get e-bikes as a way of getting through midlife crisis. I don't know what I'm doing.
No, that sounds fair.
It's probably fair. Thinking about getting one myself, you know.
Yeah.
Middle-aged and all.
Don't want to go too out of control and get a motorbike.
No. Next step is you start with an e-bike, then probably progress to like a convertible, you know, like an MX-5 or
Yeah, MX-5. Maybe get a wig or something.
get a wig toupee, you know.
Probably mostly used by tourists anyway, this isn't it?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah.
Loads of people starting up cycle tour business things now. They rent a bike and they drop you off and pick you up.
But tourists.
Yeah,
Which technically we are.
yeah. So anyway, we're way down there in the valley. You can see the mast maybe.
Probably not.
Probably not, yeah. Anyway, we're just gonna head on up this hill for a bit. Captain's log, YouTube update. Some drinking may have been involved. We built this city.
Is this the right song?
Sharon's hiding. Anyway,
She's like Darth Vader and Cal.
what's his name? No, it's not Darth Vader, it's the other dude. The Sith guy. The Sith guy.
It's called the
We built this city. Oh, my bad. What a night, eh, boys and girls? Must be the money. Does anyone actually know the words to the song other than the words "must be the money"? I doubt it. So hey, must be the money. And that is how you make a wrap. Or that's a wrap. What are we doing up here? We're up at the crack of dawn. What are we doing? We're adding a clip so the sail's easier to put on and off. We're just oh, hey, there we go. There I am. We're just changing the big head sail for a smaller one because it's northwest now. It's a bit windy. And me and Sharon are supervising. Typical sailing. When we set up the sails, it was really windy. Now we're out here, there's not much wind. So yeah, sailing. Woohoo! Not very often you see a houseboat out here in Lake Benmore. Houseboat? Houseboat.
Oh, you missed all the good stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. It took so long to power up. Quite. Yep, that's why we stay down here so we don't get smacked in the head by the thing that swings about. What is it?
Andy Doodle over here.
The boony thing?
Boon. Boon?
Boony?
Boon.
What did you say? What were you trying to tell me to say? How to remember it?
Here comes the boom.
Here comes the boom. No, that's boom.
I call it a boom. Yeah, because it's the sound it makes when it hits you in the head.
Yeah, boom. So it's not boom, it's boon.
No.
Oh, is it boom?
Yes.
Oh my god. Make up your minds. What is it? So it's boom like in fireworks?
Yes.
Oh, okay. We're all learning today, people.
You see fireworks when it hits you in the face.
Yeah, true. Now it makes sense. This is how you remember. The boys have got the toes in, so.
Rats.
The view from down here. This is what happens when you're down below. Check out the tail. It's hanging.
Look, Mum, no hands.
It's like,
yeah, both had hands.
Valerie, pray for me. Meanwhile, everything is just handy dandy in the kitchen. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Might need to stand over here for a minute because we're having a wee lie down moment. Lie down moment. More down below footage. Yep. We are cranking along. Crankety crank. So you might like to see what goes on under here. See? That's our keel. Yay, keel. That's my very untidy bag because I haven't laid it. Back with down below cam. Yep, cranking along. The boys are clearly quite relaxed. I'm hearing the keel and looking at the water. I'm going to now travel and see on board. Hopefully. Oh dear God. We got a little bit of a lead. That's what's happening up here. Or down here. Never mind. Yes, that's what you call a full set. This is my life. Floating on the edge. Oh, shit has fallen down. Are we good lean there? Don't know if that would have come up on camera. I don't know if you can see the back. Yep, that's the lean. And I'm lying like it is. Your feet. Sometimes on Benmore. In case you were wondering, this is what it sounds like down here when we're cranking along. Don't know if you can really hear the noises. The wind, and the water, stretching. The boys don't understand this because they're never down here. They're up there where the action is. And I'm very happy not to be up there, I have to say. I just lie down here and hope for the best. Splash, 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 splash. Oh yeah, I haven't picked that up yet. Yep. Welcome back to life. It is crazy kind of fun.
Alright, so the obviously the old GoPro died, and that's all the footage that we managed to get. But the long and the short is that you guys should come to Benmore if you're interested in sailing. It's a great lake to sail, and I'd hope to see more of you out there.